Today we're going to be making traditional potato latkes using sweet potato. You will need cornstarch, eggs, 3 sweet potatoes, salt, pepper, an onion, and baking powder. Start by washing and peeling your sweet potatoes. Next, grate your potatoes on a regular cheese grater. Cover your sweet potatoes in cool water and then let sit. Next, cut the ends off your onion and remove the skin. Then, grate your onion on the same grater you used to grate the sweet potatoes. Toss your onion into a bowl and sop up additional water. Next, in a large bowl, crack 4 eggs. Add salt, pepper, 1/3 cup of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Once mixed, add in the onion. Drain your potato and add to the mixture. Mix well. My first attempt didn't really stick together as it was too wet, so I had to add a bit more rice flour. Once I added more rice flour, it stuck together much more easily, and then I dipped it in more cornstarch. Transfer your potato latkes to the air fryer and spray with pan. Fry for 5 minutes on each side. Don't forget to flip! And there you go! Crispy, air-fried potato latkes with a lot less oil and gluten-free.